Hey guys, Cat from Cat Mouse Revolution, and today we are with
Mouse and Mouse Wild Revolution. Mouse and Cat. Mouse and Cat Wild Revolution.
and today we are doing our part 3 failure attempt of survival. But this, if we did mess up the first time, this would be part 2.
3. And tell us if you want us to upload the other 2 fail videos.
Sorry guys, that was my fault. My faults.
Wowfish fault.
So yeah.
Right
Alright,
now,
we are just looking for a place to build our home. Like, cause I've got my skelly horse up in here.
yeah, you got barrel bones. Hey, Jake, catch me. I'm in a tree.
Oh well.
Never mind, I fell.
Do I look like the firefighters to you? Do I really? Alright, come on, you're so slow.
I'm not on a horse.
Just
I don't
get one.
I want it.
So you don't want a horse.
Slow down.
I need food. Can
Yeah.
you kill me? Oh, never mind. Dang, where'd you get all the food from? Okay, flowers. I'm gonna use these to decorate the home. Tons and tons of coal.
You can mine that. Wow, hours.
How many fraps? 14. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'll shut up.
Yeah, because you're gonna sing and then we're just gonna start losing subscribers like that. No offense.
We don't even have any subscribers.
I mean, like, they're gonna start hearing you sing and then they're just gonna say, nah, I don't even want to subscribe to them anymore.
Yeah, because we're about to get more subscribers than Scott does Minecraft. But every single one of them disliked my singing, so they left.
You never know. They will. Some Minecraft stuff is like that. Okay. Yeah. Oh, be careful.
Oh, you almost got me killed.
Yeah, that's why I kind of said be careful.
But that was kind of too late, man. Too late, man. Too late, man. So where are we building our house?
I was thinking about on the edge of this fountain right here.
Okay, but you're gonna build the house and I'm gonna decorate it.
Alright.
So I like decorating. Yarn.
Dude, snowball fight!
No!
I don't think our house is the best place to have a snowball fight.
Look where I almost died. I was like right here. Look.
See where you are. Oh! Like 1 inch over. If I would have kept pelting you with snowballs, you would have literally died.
Would have been alright, because I like dying.
I already have a crafting table, but okay.
I don't care. I'm too lazy to go up there.
So laziness is gonna hurt every single Minecraft player.
It's revenge time.
Stop it!
Tee.
Stop it!
It's fun. Let me give it all the snow. For various reasons. So how do you want to end off the series? Like defeat the Ender Dragon or something?
Yeah, that might be the best way to end off our series.
Or should we like defeat the Wither? Oh no! My cobblestone's on the floor.
How many minutes do we have left? I might want to know that.
We have 5 more minutes to the video.
Oh, so we're just 5 minutes into the video? Wow, that's not a lot.
Well, it's almost 6 minutes left. I mean, we're almost 6 minutes in. They're like 5:45. So, yeah.
It's mountain a little bit more.
I already have a stack of snowballs. Yay.
I don't even have a stack because I used some of them to kill you.
Okay, I feel just like doing that right now. Like just doing that. Okay. I'm gonna goodbye, cruel world. Here, Kaya, do the honors. Do the honors.
I'm killing you?
Wait, no, hold on, no. Let me make a chest real quick.
I have food.
I said make a chest. I just want to die. I don't know why. I just want to die. That's my chest. Don't take anything from it.
Dude, really, just die.
I know exactly what's in here. Let me take that. Okay, do the honors. You're killing me. Do it, man. Do it. I'm gonna go in F5 mode. F5. Wait, hold on. Goodbye, cruel world. Oh, yeah, I died.
Oh, that's my fault. You wanted to die.
Oh, look! I'm glitching. Look. Ah! I'm dead. I
can't see you.
Look on the edge. Look on the come to the edge where you killed me, and like crouch and look down.
That glitch stuff.
That glitch stuff. I want to die. I won't die anymore. Won't let me die anymore. Just die. Ugh. I'm a werewolf.
Hello. Don't ask us. That is also a plugin, so we're also werewolves. Just saying. We have a little house on the prairie. Oh, do you have any more wood?
Yeah. Here.
Give it to me.
Where are you? Here. It's inside the house.
Ooh.
Did I get everything? I believe I did. Okay.
Damn it, man, me.
Eight minutes into the video.
We've gotten. I'm trying to hurry up and finish the house before the video ends.
But you have to think that you have to do the bottom part of the house and the walls. And this wall right here too. I'll do this wall. Cause it looks. I'll do the floors.
That would help a lot.
Do 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 do. 9 minutes. We have 1 minute left. I need my shovel. I need a shovel. Alright, we have 1 minute to finish the house. Think we can do it?
Tell me when there's like 30 seconds left of the video.
Okay. 30 seconds left.
Okay.
30 seconds left.
Okay, guys. I think we're gonna wrap the video up here.
Oh yeah, we didn't get to finish it. We'll finish it next episode. 10 minutes. I mean, like 20 seconds left. Okay, so. Well, so tell us what you guys think. Tell us if we should upload. Okay, this has been Cat from Cat Mouse Revolution. Alright, guys, it.
Bye.
Bye, guys.